Hey guys, it's me, Ali, and I'm trying to be quiet because it's 5 in the morning, but I just really want to play Dress to Impress, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I just woke up and I'm like, I want to play Dress to Impress, so I'm not just going to not play Dress to Impress. I'm going to get up and play Dress to Impress if I want to. So let's get started. I'm going to go on free play mode because I love free play mode because I think it's way more fun. I don't know, I think that's just me. So let's get on. Okay, just wait. Okay. Buddha, ooh, what's that? Buddha, ooh, what's that? Okay, socks and let's see. Ooh, what's that? Okay, sorry, I just had to make fun of that outfit. It was disgusting. Okay, I'm all done with my outfit. Rate my outfit to 1 to 10. I want to see how good I did. Thanks!